Hi, my name is Nathan Harless. I'm the Parks Programs Supervisor here at Wiley State Resort Park. Whether you like wildlife, overlooks, forest settings, there's a view here for everybody. Today we're replacing 2 flights of stairs on our Wiley Trail.
We're doing a trail maintenance workshop as a part of the 100th year anniversary of the park system being established. And so this week we've been building bridges, replacing stairs, widening the trails.
What we're doing here, we hope will last generations to come, so people can be celebrating 200 years of Kentucky State Parks one day. So we hope that the things that we do today will make an impact for many years to come.
We're building sustainable trails throughout our state, and we're making sure that there is a consistent method and standard that you're going to find when you come to Kentucky State Parks. And most importantly, to make sure that our trails are also being built to last.
This project will help increase the local tourism and public recreation by increasing access. There's over 100 miles of mountain bike trails in this area. It will also just create safer trails for the public to be on.
It's full of wildlife. We have deer, turkey. We actually found a milk snake here while we was building the stairs, so there's tons of views here.
The mountains are so pretty in the springtime, and now I want to come back and see what it looks like in every single season.
There is a ton of natural flowers, wildlife, great views of the lake itself. But I'd say the best thing about this trail is it's very secluded, and it's not for the weak of heart. You know, it's going to challenge you, but it's going to be worth the challenge.
You can overlook the entire Dewey Lake here. You can see the lodge in the distance. When you come down the stairs and lead into the forest, it's just a beautiful ridge line full of, huge oak trees.
There are so many people here at this project today, and so many different agencies represented, and that's important because we are building partnerships that will increase capacity to build trails on state parks and state nature preserves, and these will increase capacity for public access to these properties, and so that they can enjoy the recreation of this area.
It's been a great place to exchange ideas. I've learned a lot from the workshop that we had. This weekend will benefit me in my career in parks. This is kind of, I want to say it's toughened me up a little bit, I feel like, one, I'm more sure of myself. I mean, if you would have told me 2 weeks ago I'd know how to build a bridge, I'd probably not believe you.
I'm just really thankful for the opportunities to learn new skills and become, a more confident wild woman.
This will be a great asset in my career as the Prescribed Fire Program Coordinator, because now I can use these skills when I'm building fire breaks for our prescribed burns on state nature preserves.
This is a great state park. A lot of great people work for the parks, and I encourage you to come visit sometime. For more information on Kentucky State Parks, check us out online at parks.ky.gov.